नित्यानन्देश्वर महासदाशिव समारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. All the disciples, devotees, satsangis, samajis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Tanedars, Yajaman, Sarvangyapeta Yajamans, Kotaris, everyone sitting with us through Nityananda TV and two-way video conferencing. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. I'll continue to expand on this physics, chemistry and biology. Listen carefully. Some things you need to understand about the state of consciousness. To understand the biology, chemistry and physics of the cosmos. Every night when you fall asleep, it is not that all of you fall in the same deep sleep state or dream state. You are all cut to pieces like a mutton chicken. One chunk goes to dream waking, one chunk goes to waking deep sleep, one chunk goes to dream deep sleep, one chunk goes to sleep dream, one chunk goes to sleep sleep, one chunk goes to dream dream. You are actually sorry but truth, you are a disgusting disaster, not bipolar, multipolar, part. Your liver goes and settles into dream deep sleep, and kidney goes and falls into sleep sleep, and eyes are into dream dream, brain coma sleep. No, you fall, no, please understand, you fall into different states. When you wake up, don't think all the parts are retrieved. No. Liver still does not come out of its sleep. That is why it is sending the signals of lethargy into your system. Lethargy is nothing but your liver still not come to waking state. Daydreaming is your brain still not cognized waking state. Understand, when you wake up, it is not that all your parts are integrated and comes to waking state or Turiya state or Turyatita state. When you wake up, collecting your whole being and establishing on Turyatita is what is Sandhya Vandana. That is what is precisely the science of Sandhya Vandana. Unfortunately, even Brahmins have lost, the born Brahmins have lost being practicing Brahmins. Forget about other three Varnas. The Varna which was dedicated for this purpose itself has stopped doing. That's the most unfortunate thing. We have so many Brahmanas who don't know they are Brahmanas. We have a lot of Brahmins, but they don't know. Many of them really, what Sandhya Vandana? What? I know Sandhya, I know Vandana. Sandhya and Vandana together, which movie? No, I know Sandhya, I know Vandana. Together, they have done any movie? That movie I don't know. If you feel, whole day I am working, but end of the day, if I see I don't know what I have done, listen carefully. If you feel, whole day I am working, But end of the day, I don't know what I have done. Neither I feel I have done something, nor others feel I have contributed something. But days passed. It means you have the same sickness. Multiple, disastrous, disgusting. We can create our own word. Homo, soma, coma, ama, bama, boma, memia. Because there is no name for it. Listen. Parts of your body, biology, parts of the chemistry, and parts of your physics happening, still not out of your deep sleep or dream state, or sleep dream or sleep dream sleep, that lower states, when still part of you are stuck in sleep sleep, sleep dream, dream sleep, sleep wake, wake sleep, wake dream, in those lower states, you feel whole day I am working. But at the end of the day, neither I am feeling I have done something, nor others are feeling I have contributed something. What is the wrong? Everything is wrong. Still you have not woken up. Fundamental problem is you are out of bed does not mean you are awake. You are just... If you get a chair with a back support, and able to get a secret place in dorm somewhere where nobody will come and knock the door, or where nobody will ask you to get up. And now with this new gadget also, 24-hour Facebook is available. Actually now we will have to add, it is not 25 states anymore. Facebook state. That's one more state. It has to become now 26. Understand, at least full 2 cycle means 42 minutes. If you are breathing long and keeping your body active through some yoga or jogging, only then actually you wake up. That is why pranayama. Pranayama is to wake up, nothing else. Either you do the long breathing for that 42 minutes through various pranayama technique, or you do this 108 asanas, what we have given newly as Rajashekara Vinyasa Krama, the 108 asanas with the verses. Only then all the parts, bits and pieces which you threw in the night, liver in the deep sleep, kidney in the chutney, and heart in dream state, brain in dream state, eyes in sleep dream state, wherever you are dropped, you are dumped. All of them need to be collected. You need to wake up. You need to wake up. Only then I can train you. I cannot help you if you are sleeping. See, Kavi is alive. It's the space where you feel like power manifestation. So you can make that Kavi into power manifestation. Instead of alive, power manifestation. You feel like you will manifest powers and you will start manifesting. Please listen. I don't want to know what mood you are in. Let me be very clear. Only what clicks you are getting, put it in the Facebook, I'll see. I don't want to see your depressed mood. So whatever clicks you are getting, that you can upload it in the Facebook. And I have one more announcement. the main deity which is going to be installed in golden temple of Mahasadashiva in Kailasa, Adi Kailasa, in Bengaluru Adinam, in Garbha Mandir. See, we have a Swayambhu Linga. That's going to be the main deity. Just behind the Swayambhu Linga, the form of Mahasadashiva is going to be installed, made in pure gold. Agama describes as Mahasadashiva sitting on the throne made of mantras. Mantramaya, embodiment of all the powerful sacred sounds. So this leaf which you are seeing in my hand is made of pure gold, in which the mantras are getting written. Like this, various mantras are going to be written on gold leaf, and it will be put inside the deity, which will become part of the deity. Means going to be receiving worship for ever till the sun and the moon is there. I am opening. I am opening the great possibility that your name can ever be part of the Murti. Anybody wants, you can make your name in golden leaf, carve your name in that and offer it. It will be put in the deity. Understand? Because the deity is going to be completely made out of gold, pure gold. The only condition, the leaf has to be pure gold. If it is not pure gold, then we will not be adding it with the deity. So anybody, it can be few gram or few kg bar, it is all up to you. You can make leaves like this and carve your name on that and offer it. It will be there inside the deity forever. So from today, we are collecting. Maybe you have only 30 days more, because within 30 days, we are going to be doing the molding work. Now the wax model is going on in the temple. Within 30 days, anybody sends your name carved in gold. It can be few gram leaf or few kg bar. It is up to you. It will be added into the deity. It will be there forever. You will be worshipped, remembered as part of Mahasadashiva. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Shaivam Mahasadashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.